Aloha everyone and happy New Earth 2023. This is Tutu Signs here at Aloha Food Forest, and you and everyone else can begin to care for our earth starting from your kitchen. I learned this year about Eco-Enzyme from a Food Forest Abundance webinar presented by Wenting Chen of SustainableTips in July 2022. Eco-Enzyme is a multi-purpose liquid whose applications cover household cleaning, agriculture, fertilizing, cleaning waterways, animal husbandry, etc. I mean, it's endless, it's almost endless. And it was developed by Dr. Rosukon of Thailand, who has been actively involved in enzyme research for more than 30 years. Dr. Rose encourages people to make Eco-Enzymes at home. Eco-Enzyme is a dark brown, scented, complex liquid produced by fermentation using fresh kitchen waste, sugar, and water. It's dark brown, it has a solid sweet smell. And so back in October 22, I had made a blend and the blend was ready. The enzyme blend was ready. And everyone in the household agreed. It smelled pleasant. I poured my new batch of fragrant Eco-Enzyme into a spray bottle that I already had on hand, such as this one. And soon I discovered how wonderful it is as a multi-purpose cleaner. I love it. It does a great job cleaning my house. First of all, laundry. That's a huge. Dishes, pots and pans, glass, windows, counters, floors, showers, toilets, stoves. You can even use it to clean rugs. Tile grout came really clean. The kitchen sink, everything looks brighter, smells better. And so this complex organic substance, other people use it in cultures worldwide for cleaning and fertilizing. I'm so grateful and glad that I discovered this, and I plan to continue using this. And you can make your own fabulous cleaning and fertilizing solution for free. Well, you have to buy brown sugar, so not much. But there's no need to purchase cleaners and fertilizers that can be so expensive. So we make Eco-Enzyme. You can make Eco-Enzyme your best household helper. It's antibacterial, fungus, and virus, natural antiseptic for your home. It purifies underground water. The enzyme residues flow underground and will eventually purify rivers and seas if they reach those waterways. It purifies the air in your home. It removes odors and toxic air released from smoke or car exhaust or chemical residues of household products. It's easy to DIY at a negligible cost. It's free of life-harming pollutants. It's an effective solution to multiple household problems. The longer it seeps, the better it gets. Eco-Enzymes will never expire. No electricity is required to make it or store it. So here you go. You can save money, get free DIY multi-purpose household cleaner and fertilizer. Okay, listen to this. It even helps seeds start. It's a natural household cleaner and purifier, detergent, car care, fabric softener, organic fertilizer, etc. I love using it in my laundry because I use the gray water in the garden, and it's great. It reduces waste from your kitchen you put the waste in there. It benefits sea life or other aquatic life. It transforms and changes, decomposes, or changes the way chemicals are made up. It fits in harmony with earth, and it can keep your farm or area free from infections. It's healthy for the soil. It helps vegetables grow. It provides a natural baby hormone for plants and trees. And it also cultivates land into fertile farmland, as been proved online. So it helps in planting. It keeps the air in the farm atmosphere clean and cool, or in the house atmosphere. It cleans impure and dirty water. It helps in driving away insects reduces mosquitoes, flies, rats, or cockroaches. I even sprayed it on ants and it seemed to work pretty quickly. I never saw them again. It removes odors from pets and cigarettes. It took these sort of grayish white cloth napkins I had and turned them bright white again. It's just amazing. You could use it for cars, and you can even unclog drain pipes with this because it will transform things. So you can put this down the toilet, you can put this down the drains. You can visit Dr. Rosukon's website at enzymesos.com. You can visit Wenting Chen, who taught me how to do this. Hers is SustainableTips channel. You can visit Food Forest Abundance. You can visit me at Aloha Food Forest online. And I hope you will consider giving this a try and help your budget and help the earth at the same time and get rid of some of that kitchen waste. Okay, so sending you aloha. It's almost the end of 2022 and I learned how to make Eco-Enzyme cleaner this year, and I've been using it in the household and I love it. It's helped with the laundry and with all the cleaning tasks I have in the household. So I made it in this container here, which is plastic, and that's an important thing. You have to use plastic. And here is the stuff inside there. That's some lavender and citrus. And I believe there were some nutshells and a variety of other things in this batch. And it's already a month old, so it's not as bubbly as it was for the first couple weeks. In the first couple weeks, it gets very bubbly. Let's see if I shake it up. Will it get bubbly? Not too much. It's really settled down, but it needs a couple more months to fully ferment before it's ready to be used. Okay, to make the numbering system that goes on here for the ratio, you actually want 16 numbers because you need 2 numbers at the top. So a ratio of 1 brown sugar and then up to 3 vegetable, so that brings you to 4, and then 10 water brings you to 14, and then 2 air. So that's exactly how it should be. So then you want it to be the same height as your container. Like, measure this out. This one's actually a little taller than this container, but it did fit my bigger container. But I'll just show you the procedure. So you take the paper, you fold it in half once, you fold it in half again, that's twice. You fold it in half one more time, that's 3 times, and you fold it in half one more time, that's 4 times you folded it in half. And that is how you get the 16 equal lengths on your paper. Okay, so first measure your paper to the height of your container and then fold it in half 16 times. And then if you want to do it like I've done here, I love this, it makes it easier. I put all the numbers on there, and it also helps you to understand, 1 part of brown sugar, 1, 2, 3 parts of fruit and vegetable dregs, and then 10 parts of water, and then 2 parts of air. Okay, so it's pretty easy if you can fold paper and use tape and scissors. And if you folded the paper for your container, like you could, then you can just cut off a little snippet of it and see how you get another one. So imagine you could use that one for multiple containers if you cut it, multiple times, right? So that's fun too. Okay, so I hope you try making Eco-Enzyme and you love it. So now we're going to make another batch of Eco-Enzyme, and I've divided the height of the container into 14 parts, and that's very important for our ratio. We're going to have 1 part of brown sugar, 3 parts of orange peels, banana peels, lavender, and rosemary, and 10 parts of water. So I'm going to take the brown sugar and put that in there right now. So here I've added 1 part of brown sugar on the bottom of the container. You can see it's right up to the number 1 line. Now I'm going to add water up to the number 11 line to make 10 parts of water. 1 part of sugar plus 10 parts of water will bring us right up to the 11 line. Okay, get it right up to that 11 line. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna give that a little stir. Okay, giving it a little stir. You can see the brown sugar still settled at the bottom. Okay, and now we add our fruit, citrus peels and banana peels. You can add a variety of different fruit and vegetable waste from your kitchen. I see a lot of videos where they recommend adding citrus, and I've added citrus in the other blend, and I loved it. Now here is some lavender, which I happen to have just bits of it in the garden. So I'll break this up and put that in there for extra fragrance. And the same with this rosemary. And we'll need to add vegetable waste until we get up to the 14 line. So let's see. Okay, so we made it up to the 14 part line. We'll put on this label. It shows it's Eco-Enzyme and the date 12/30/22, and put the lid on. There we go. Now for the next couple weeks, every day I'll need to take the lid off as bubbles continue to form. So I release the pressure of the bubbles, and in 3 months this will be a fabulous cleaning product. Cleans the house, it's good for the pipes, it cleans our waterways when it goes down into the sewer. So it is the future of cleaning products, and that's how easy it is to create a batch. So I hope you like this, and check the links below for more information about Eco-Enzymes. Aloha and Happy New Year, all my friends. Once it's all finished and ready to be used, I put it in this nifty spray bottle and then spray it on everything. I've been using it in my mop water and in the laundry, and it's cleaning everything so well. And I love that it's free, it's good for the earth, and It's easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Aloha! University to learn the 8 steps to growing a permaculture food forest garden in your yard and experience the joys of food freedom, health freedom, and financial freedom. Click below for access.